Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Library tab. Click on it to access your game collection. This is where all your installed and available games are displayed, making it easy to manage everything in one place. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Click on the specific game you want to back up. This could be any game you've installed that you want to preserve, whether it's to free up space temporarily or to transfer it to another device later. Once you've selected the game, look at the right panel where you'll find a gear icon. Click on this icon and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. This opens up the detailed settings for that particular game. Now, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section contains all the important options related to the game's files on your system. Here you'll see an option that says create a backup of the installed files to restore this game in the future. Right beside this text, click on Backup Game Files. This is the main feature that allows you to create a complete backup of your game, which can save you hours of re-downloading in the future. A new window will appear. Click on Browse to choose where you want to save your backup. This is a crucial step because you need to decide where you'll store this backup for safekeeping. Select a destination folder, which could be an external drive, USB drive, or another disk on your computer. Once you've chosen the location, click Select Folder to confirm your choice. After that, click Create Backup to begin the process. Steam will now start creating a backup of your game files, so you may need to wait a few moments depending on the size of the game. If you want to restore a game later, the process is just as simple. In the upper left corner, click on Steam and then select Restore Game Backup from the menu. This opens the Restoration tool. Click on Browse to locate your backup files. Select the folder you saved earlier, then click Select Folder. Finally, click Restore Backup to start restoring your game. Steam will handle the rest and your game will be ready to play again without having to re-download everything. And that's it. You've successfully backed up and restored your game on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.